Follow along with me in this marking warm-up session where we are going to use 3 different marking steps to this piece of Bulerías por Solea music, which is just lovely, lovely, lovely. And it's just meant to help you listen to the music and to work on that compás, work on the transitional movements, and working on various upper body elements. But the main thing is getting the lower body, the steps, into your muscle memory so that you don't have to think about that and you can work on that upper body. But if it's too much, keep your hands on your hips until you get the feet ready. And if you need a tutorial on these marking steps, you can follow the link for that. So again, we're going to work on that front marking, front step, ba-da-ba, ba-da-ka-dun-da-da, side step, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, ba-da, and then going around the circle, bum, ba-dum, ba-da-ka-dum, ba-da. Let's begin. Okay, we're going to stand here, get grounded, 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 energy down. Look at yourself in the mirror, make that connection. Abs in, chest open, and we wait. Practice our palmas a little bit. 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12. Again. 7, 8, 9, 10. So front. Front, front, cross, out.
Yo a ti te llamaba con fatiga. Te llamaba con fatiga y viendo que no venía y tampoco me llamaba un sentido perdía y si un día viene arrepentía a buscarme y yo siento que te quiero me obliga a perdonarte.
Arms down and up, ba, ba, da, ba, and down.
No hay esperanza ninguna pa' quien te dice te quiero, luego te pide la luna.
8, 9, 10, switch left and right.
Estaba pensando yo con mucho dolor cierto día perdió en mi pensamiento el poco interés que tú a mí me ponías.
And out, down. And up.
Y por eso yo a ti te quise preguntar y no me miraste ni siquiera a la cara. No me miraste a la cara y me quité mi camisa para ver si a verme desnudo te cambiaba a ti la cara.
9, 10.
Mirando para ti, mamá. y yo la mía no la descubro. Más break hay todo en ella.
Ole. So thanks for warming up with me. If you want to continue your flamenco journey with me, I invite you to join me inside the Online Flamenco Studio, where we dance with our whole mind, body, and soul. And we have choreography, technique, flamenco theory, and a great community. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Be sure to like and subscribe and share.